Andito na si Palakaw. May pa-order.
Pa-order. Oh, yeah. Hi! Pa-order si Palaka.
Wow.
At ito ang kanyang pa-order. Si
Tita Sofia.
Sophia the Purse. 3-in-1 cake.
Wow.
Yes, meron na siyang number cake.
And
Cupcakes and the number cake. Ay,
uy.
the round cake pala, sorry.
Ha 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 ha.
Ayan, for only 1,500. Lahat na yan. Kaya
Lahat na
naman,
yan.
mag-order na kayo. Happy
Oh,
first
yeah.
birthday, Kathleen Joy. Thank you po sa pag-order, ma'am, from Camille.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Keep going.
Yeah.